Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT Knowledge. Class 12 Computer Science Series Session 2 covers file handling, the most important practical topic. Text files, binary files with pickle, and CSV files. File handling carries a guaranteed 5-mark question in theory and is tested in practicals. Let's master it. Watch the three file types appear. Text files stores human readable characters. You can open them in Notepad. Binary files stores data as byte streams using the pickle module. Not human readable but can store any Python object. CSV files store tabular data with commas separating fields, openable in Excel. Text uses .txt extension. Binary uses .dat or .bin. CSV uses .csv. Watch the modes. R for reading, this is default. If the file does not exist, you get file not found error. W for writing. Warning, this destroys all old content. If the file does not exist, it's create a new one. A for appending. Safely adds to the end without deleting anything. R plus for both reading and writing. File must already exist. The critical exam trap W mode empties the file the moment you open it, even before you write anything. Three ways to read text files. Read function reads the entire file as one big string. Read of 10 reads only 10 characters. Read line reads one line including the new line character at the end. Each call to read line gets the next line. Read lines function reads all lines and returns them as a list. Each element is one line with the new line character. Use strip function to remove the trailing new line. At end of the file, both read and readline function return empty string. For tip, string strip function removes new line. Always use it. Write function writes one string. It does not add new lines automatically. You must include \n yourself. Write lines function takes a list of strings and writes them all. Again, no auto new lines. Append mode A is a safe choice. It adds to the end without deleting. The with statement auto closes the file. Always use it in exams. File pointer methods. File pointer methods. Till function returns current position. Sig0 function goes back to the start. Useful for rereading a file after reaching the end. 4 must know programs. Count words. Read the file, split by white space. Count the resulting list length. Count lines containing the loop through lines. Check with in operator increment counter. Copy uppercase lines. Read from input file. Check if character is upper. Write matching lines to output. Display with line numbers. Use enumerate starting from 1. This exact patterns appear in every board exam paper. Pickle module. Binary files use the pickle module for serialization. Converting Python objects to byte streams. Import pickle first. Pickle.dump writes an object to a file. Pickle.load reads it back. You must use binary modes. WB for writing, RB for reading. The amazing thing about Pickle, it can store any Python object, list, dictionaries, tuples, even custom classes with all their nested data intact. Pickle.dump takes two arguments, the object and the file handle. Each call write one object. You can call dump multiple times to write multiple objects. Pickle.load read one object per call in the same order they were dumped. To read all objects from a binary file using the while true loop with try except EOF error. This is most important binary file pattern. While true, try pickle.load except EOF error, then break. This pattern appears in every board exam. 3 practical programs. Write student records, collect data in a loop, store as list of dictionaries, dump the entire list, search in binary file, load the data, loop through records, match by name, update record, load all records, find and modify the target, write everything back. The key insight for binary files, you typically load all data into memory, modify it, then write it all back. This is different from text files where you can process line by line. CSV stands for comma separated values. Tabular data stored as plain text with commas between fields. Import the CSV module CSV.reader function. Reads row as list. CSV.writer function writes list as rows. CSV.dictReader function reads row as dictionaries with headers as keys. Super convenient. CSV.dictWriter function writes dictionaries. Critical window issue. Always open CSV files with new line equal to as the third argument. Otherwise, you get blank rows between your data rows. For reading, open the file, create a CSV.reader object, use next function reader. To skip the header row, to skip the header row, then loop through remaining rows. Each row is a list of strings. For writing, open with W and new line equal to quotes. Create CSV.writer. Use write row for header, then write row for each data row. Dict Reader is more elegant. Each row becomes a dictionary where keys are the header files. Dict Writer needs field names specified, then call write header function before writing rows. Two board exam question. Two board exam programs. Writing. Create a writer. Write the header row first, then loop to collect and write student data. Reading and filtering. Create a reader, skip header with next function. Loop through rows and check if marks exceed 90. Print matching records. These exact patterns, write data to CSV and read back with filtering appear regularly in CBSE board exams. Watch the comparison build. Text files are human readable and use read or write methods. Binary files are machine readable and use pickle, dump, or load. CSV files are tabular and use CSV reader or writer. Text uses read, write, append modes. Binary uses RB, WB, AB. CSV uses read or write with new line parameter. Text stores strings, binary stores, and any Python object. CSV stores structured tabular data. No three differences between text and binary. Four essential patterns for exams: read, process, close. Open with, loop through lines, process each one, read, modify, write. Read all content, modify in memory, write back. Pickle loop, while true with pickle.load inside try, except EOF error to stop. CSV filter, create reader, Skip header with next function, loop and check conditions. Master these four patterns and you can solve any file handling question. Quick recall. Rapid fire. Text files use read lines. Binary uses pickle, dump, and load. CSV uses CSV reader and writer. W mode overrides, A mode appends. Binary needs RB, WB modes. Dict reader gives dictionary per row. With statement auto closes. Flash force write to disk. 8 key points, master them all for the exam. 6. Question types. Text file, 5 mark. Count words starting with a specific letter. Binary file, 5 mark. Store and search employee records using Pickle. CSV file, 4 mark. Write data and read back with filtering. Differentiate 3 mark. Text versus binary files, read versus read lines, file pointer 2 mark. Explain, tell and seek. Output prediction 2 mark. Trace what write and read produce. 8 exam traps. Write does not add new lines automatically. W mode empties the file immediately on opening. Pickle needs explicit input. Binary files need RB or WB modes. Using read or write causes Unicode decode error. CSV need new line equal to double quotes on Windows dot next reader. Returns the header row as a list. EOF error is a signal to stop reading binary files. Flash forces buffered data. Flash forces buffered data to disk immediately. Quiz challenge. Question 1. Write a program to read a text file and count how many lines start with a vowel. Question 2. Write a program using Pickle to store a list of dictionaries and read them back. Bonus. What's the difference between CSV.reader and CSV.dictReader? Which one returns dictionaries? Write answers in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.